Summer programs in Topeka Public Schools are vast, they're engaging. Schools all over the city of Topeka are offering different types of camps and summer school for our students so that all of our students can remain engaged during the summer.
We eat breakfast, we eat lunch, and in between, we are exploring and learning through hands-on opportunities. School never stops. Keep those skills sharp, and they can just hit the ground running in August without that lapse of routine.
My favorite part has been being with my friends and to learn how to do things that they haven't done yet.
I think that my favorite thing was coding robotics. Just amazing, just being able to just code. I was able to basically make whatever I wanted.
Last week I did chess, and then this week I did coding robotics. We're learning how to fly drones. It's fun. People here are really nice.
This is a great chance for students to stay engaged in learning, maybe in new ways that they otherwise don't get the opportunities to have throughout the school year, exercising new skills or learning new things that they otherwise are not able to. And so it's just a great opportunity for them.
I love bringing the staff and students from multiple schools into the summer enrichment because it gives us that sense of Topeka Public Schools community. It brings us all together. They continue to work on their social skills, their academic skills, their critical thinking skills, and just continue developing.